In fact, video's not finished, guys. I forgot the all-important tidying up bit at the end that everyone seems to think that electricians don't do. In fact, if I'd been a smart person, I probably would have had this set up in the first place for the purpose of the video. In actual fact, one tip has suddenly occurred to me for the apprentices. Something to think about is that dust obviously gets up into the air, and as it travels down, it lands on the highest points first. So whenever I'm hoovering up, usually, someone's house, I always start at the top. So I do around the tops of the doors, around the architrave. There's a lot of dust to settle on there. I then, come down the door. If it's got ridges or anything that can catch dust, any ledges that dust can get caught on, that's where I start from the top. I then do sort of around the architraves, around the skirting board, and then do the floor. I work from the top down, shelves, all that kind of stuff. So just something to think about as you're working around. There's no point starting from the floor and working your way up, because then all the dust is getting put back up into the air again, in my opinion, and then working its way back down. So keep it tidy. Prevention's better than cure. There's other people living in this house. I don't want them breathing in this dust. Usually I'd have my dust mask on. You've seen the videos. I'm pretty hot on wearing dust masks and ear defenders. People make comments obviously about the knee protectors. I do have knee protectors usually in my Snickers trousers, but now that I'm wearing shorts, I don't have that. Maybe I might get myself a little mat. I have used the knee protectors that sort of strap around your legs, but I find they bunch up behind the knees, and I find that really uncomfortable. It really irritates me. So maybe I'll just get a nice soft mat, kneeling mat to work on, and that solves that issue. Anything else that I can do to advise you guys, obviously just let me know. But tidy enough, prevention is better than cure.